Now let's talk about how you can reverse a video on the iPhone. So if you captured a video, you can of course find it inside of the gallery like that. And essentially when you find a video like this one, what you can do is to click on I'm going to find a better example so you can actually see what's going on. So this is where it actually gets moving, right? But you can click on the edit option below and you have the ability to click on a crop, and essentially you can flip it like that. So you can reverse it vertically, optically as well. So it kind of like looks flipped as, looking through a mirror, right? So this is one way of reversing the video. So that's obviously one option. You can save it like that. But if you would like to reverse it in a way that, it's going to go from the end to the beginning, for that you'll need to use some sort of video editor. And there are actually plenty of them available, but I like to use this one called CapCut for free. You can do a bunch of stuff. So yeah, just start a new project and import the clip right here. So this was the video that we worked with. And right now you just want to click on the option right there at the bottom and click on speed like this. And essentially you can see that we can find some options like the effects right there, and you can change some options regarding the speed. But the thing that we want to do is essentially return it or reverse it. So I believe that if you scroll through the options, yeah, you can see the reverse option is right there. So you can just click on it. It will likely take a while for, this operation to be performed. But right now, when I press it, it will just go from the end to the beginning, right? So this is how it works. You can then export the video. Obviously, you can use some professional features, right, or whatever. But you can see I can even remove the watermark for a few clips. And right now, when I click on export, the video will be exported in my gallery like that, and it will be reversed. So that's how I like to use it. Using a third-party video editor is a good idea in my case because, I wouldn't be able to do it through the built-in methods. So most definitely let me know below in the comments if you managed to find it and make it work. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and guides like this one, and I'll talk to you later in the future tutorials.